video we are going to take a look how to practice crypto chart analysis. Also, I am going to tell you which trading platform will be the good trading platform in order to start trading on that. While you're opening a crypto chart analysis, make sure you are following the bigger time frame like 1-day chart, weekly charts. These types of time frames are very much important in order to make a right decision. Let me give you step by step how to practice your crypto chart analysis. First of all, switch on the bigger time frame like 4 hour, 1 day. These two time frames are considered as a big time frames. 4-hour chart is also good. Most of the big analysts are uses the 4-hour chart. Here we go, we have to switch to the time frame which one you want to take. In this case I have taken 4-hour chart. Under the 4-hour chart, whenever you will be open a chart, here you can see movement of that particular coin. Now this is quite the complicated. Just switch to the line chart. Whenever you will switch to the line charts, wicks of the candles will get deleted, and guys, you can easily draw trend lines where you want to do. Here we go. In this case I have switched to these trend lines. First trend line has been drawn, second trend line has been drawn. Now we can understand more good how actually price is going, what type of trend is generated. In this scenario, if we consider the trend lines has going to the upper direction and trend is successfully claiming the way of uptrend. First is very important step, that is the line chart. Now second step is go with the historical price action, avoid the market price. Now let me add some intervals so in order to understand more better. Here we go, I have added some intervals. I don't know after this red interval what price action is doing. Whenever you will get these types of historical marks, you can easily draw some trend lines, you can easily mark up some chart patterns where actually price actions are generated, where actually chart patterns are generated. By doing this, you can actually find out the ways where actually patterns are formed, how actually patterns are working. With this way, you can go with the historical price action. After the historical price action, you will be easily understand what types of patterns have been generated and how actually price action is behaving with the market price. Now little bit you can move to the forward to understand again. You can just predict the market. This is a downtrend market. After breakout, price is moving to the upper direction. So with this way, you can consider the price action, how price action is moving, how actually we have to take next decision. So not just with this XAI USDT, you can switch to the multiple charts to get more advanced practice on this candlestick analysis. Practice more on candlesticks analysis only. If you are avoiding candlesticks analysis, if you are just following indicators, then it's not gonna work. I'm saying with this experience. Guys, if you are looking for a great trading platform, Bitmart is there. Bitmart link is provided in the video's description. You can use Bitmart trading platform for the crypto trading. In order to buy your cryptocurrency, simply click on the buy. You have two options. First is P2P trading, second is third party payment. You can easily buy your USDT with the INR. I would like to prefer you make a trades with the verify merchant only. There are not that much the traders are available, but in coming days you can see a lot of P2P traders also will be listed on this platform. Or simply you can go on the overview, or you can deposit your favorite cryptocurrency here. After clicking the deposit, you can simply see here how many coins are available to trade. Just click a specific coin, you can transfer your cryptos on the Bitmart trading platform. You can read more about the Bitmart on this coin market cap exchange list. Here you can see 51,222 BTC 24-hour trading volume is ongoing with the Bitmart. More information is available on this page. You can use this crypto trading platform for your regular cryptocurrency trading. In order to practice your price chart, I have just told you how to go with the step by steps. With these step by steps, you can easily crack the best practice method. Going with the trend is always plus point. Don't forget that. If you're going with the trend, then definitely you are making a profit. Going against the trend, it can lose your whole capital. So whenever you are going with the trend, then you don't have to worry about the prices. Stop losses, loss is a part of game. Just you have to stick with the capital management. How much amount you have to invest in per trade, like 5%, 10%, you have to select that amount and set a preferred win rate. For example, 10 trades are taken, 5 trades you are winning and 5 trades are losing. Then you have to set your win rate to 1:2 risk reward. 5% is stop loss and 10% is reward. Then it can be considered as 1:2 risk reward. While you're following this method, even if you're getting 5 trades winning, 5 trades losing out of 10 trades, you can easily win this hard game. So that's why you have to stick with the plan. I will give you more deeply information about this risk management in coming days. Stay tuned with the videos. You can stay tuned with these 3 of channels, Amit and Crypto, Crypto Point Marathi, Smart Trades. These all channels for you for the regular cryptocurrency practice, updates, trade setups and all. I hope you guys are understood today's episode. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.